Could a vaccine passport system be coming to the GTA? If the province doesn't step up, a more localized approach is being examined. Here's the latest from Peel Region's top doctor.
At this time, Peel Public Health is also actively exploring with other health units what could be done locally on a vaccine certificate program, absent a provincial solution.
Those words from Dr. Lawrence Lowe, who says the virus is transmitting at a very fast pace. Peel Region is now seeing a significant rise in large COVID exposures at social gatherings such as weddings, funerals, and other organized events, despite a high vaccination rate.
But the reality is that 250,000 Peel residents have not yet received their first dose, 152,000 need their second, and 207,000 residents under the age of 12 remain ineligible.
In Toronto, Mayor John Tory addressed the possibility.
And I think the provincial option is far preferable, but regional would be a second choice. And I just would be quite willing to cooperate with anybody, including the federal government, the province, or other cities, to just make sure we get it done. And then get some proper guidelines out as to when and where it should be used so that people can be reassured, both employers and venue operators and the public at large.
The Ministry of Health maintains there are no plans for a passport system here in Ontario, saying residents can already download their vaccine receipt on their phones, and that's what they're sticking with.
Why is that not good enough?
And I could take that and Photoshop it. And put your name on it. You know, I can do that, right? So I think that we need something a bit more formal and legitimate.
Quebec and BC are the latest to implement vaccine passports for recreational and social settings such as bars, restaurants, gyms, and movie theaters. And with more and more businesses, organizations, events, and venues implementing their own immunization policies here, a top doctor in Eastern Ontario believes it's inevitable this province will have to follow, and it will happen soon.
We'll have no choice. There's going to be thousands, if not millions of people required to produce vaccine proof. And it's better that it be standardized. Otherwise, it's going to be piecemeal, it's going to be chaotic, and it's going to put a bigger onus than necessary on operators, owners, and so on.
Well, at this point, the health units that we have spoken to here in the GTA agree that a provincial vaccine certificate is ideal, and that's what they're calling for. But they also say they continue to have discussions with other health units about the best ways to control the fourth wave.